Sean Osborne here with Basecamp Trading, and today we're taking a look at Target. Target broke out of this trend line that we have back here. This trend line is defined by this point here through this point, and then on June 11th, we broke through that resistance and pushed pretty high and had a nice strong bar. Now, if we look at the previous pivots it broke through on the way up, it broke through this one, then this one, and almost this one. And you can see it didn't quite get up there. We came pretty close to 133.10. The high got all the way up to 132.96. So really close. What's that? 14 cents. Anyways, the next day we jumped higher. We gapped up above that. We opened at the low at 133.45 and then pushed higher. And then today we gapped up again, but we pulled back. We spent most of the day pulling back after initially going higher. So what's happening here? Well, we are running into value charts getting significantly overvalued. We can see that with the red bars down here at the bottom, the red tops of the bars. Our momentum is as high, but it's not getting to the extreme of plus 25 yet. But what we might be seeing here is a little bit of something we call a last kiss. And it might be that sometimes when we break out a little bit, we pull back and come back and retest a broken resistance, which is now support. So it wouldn't be a surprise or that much of a surprise if we come back and retest 133.10. I don't know if we're going to pull back all the way. It's not quite the end of the day here. We still have another hour and an hour and 45 minutes left in the day. But if this bar closed right now, that would be a pretty long wick to the upside and possibility of pulling back some more. And that's what we're counting on here, coming back to 133.10. So what do we look at from there? Well, it would be nice if we could get value charts to get back down into the green. That's not going to happen in just a couple of bars. But if we can pull back a little bit more, we might get what we call a bull flag, which takes into account what's happening with MQ super momentum on a pullback. Well, if the histograms stay green in MQ super momentum and we pull back with a lower high than the previous bar, then we'll have a bull flag opportunity. And if we break that bar's high the next day, then that would be a triggering of the bull flag. And we'd watch it to move up to this previous high and possibly further. So that's what we're looking for, is a last kiss retest and possibly a bull flag going forward. We'll see if that happens. If you like this kind of analysis, you can give us a try, and just for $7, you can join us for 30 days. Love to have you check it out. Details are in the comments below. Have a great day, everybody.